Bro, that looks so good. What's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back with another video. What I got popping for you guys today, and I am super excited to get this done, is your boy is gonna be throwing on these new turn signals onto the beam. Like, this is one of those first easy mods, but there's something that you have to do that is very scary for most owners. And I can admit, I'm a little nervous myself because I don't wanna break one of these things. These things are a couple $100 to replace. So what we're gonna be replacing today, if you saw the thumbnail, you probably already know. We're gonna be putting on LED sequential turn signals, bro. These things are tinted, smoked out. These things look so good, so good. And I'm gonna show you guys what the stock ones look like, and then you can see sort of what they look like after we do this modification. Hopefully we don't break anything. Fingers crossed, watch a ton of videos. Let's get this done for ourselves. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and move the cars around. I'm gonna pull the beam right here behind me, and we're gonna get started. Let's do this. Yeah, this should be good. All right, so just from where you're at, I'm gonna turn the hazards on so you can see what that looks like. So you can see what that looks like from the turn signals. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually pick both of my side mirrors and I'm gonna turn them all the way up. I'm gonna do it for the other side now. Perfect. Now they're both all the way up. All right, so your boy ordered this kit straight off of Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. Make sure to use that. It helps the channel out. It helps me out. It helps me get more mods so we can throw in the car so you guys can see that. I love doing this stuff for you guys. So I hope you guys appreciate every video that I'm doing because I appreciate you guys watching. So let's see what came in the kit. All right, so inside the kit came with the LED smoke sequential light. You guys can see this, man. This thing looks awesome. It's gonna replace just those silver looking ones. It's gonna look real nice. One's for one side, one's for the other side. And then also in the kit, and then also they included one of these little pry tools in the kit. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm actually gonna use one of the ones that I currently have, but they include one of these if you don't have them. All right, so now that we're back over to the car, I've already put the side mirror and tilted it all the way up as much as I can. I have a couple tools here. I got this pry tool, it's a little bit wider. I have this pry tool, a little bit wider than the one they sent. I also got a microfiber cloth because I'm not gonna unplug the mirror if I can get this thing out perfectly. I'm just gonna hang it and I'm gonna use this to protect the paint. Now with it up like this, what I'm actually gonna do is take this piece, I'm gonna sit it over the top and apply and just hold it with my hand. Then on the back side of this mirror, I'm gonna get this guy underneath here so I can hopefully pry up without breaking the mirror. All right, we've pried up the bottom portion. I'm gonna see if I can slide a hand underneath there and just get the rest out. Give it a little wiggles, and work your way around it. Awesome. So we have now got that pulled out. You can see, sitting right here, the mirror's out. What I'm gonna do is take this guy and wrap it around it. But I just wanna show you guys on the back side what this looks like. So right on the back of these mirrors, it's like this circular ring that attaches to that circular ring there. So those are the clips you're sort of aiming for. And I'll show you sort of where I use my pry tool. When I put my pry tool on here, I was aiming to put it like right around here to sort of pry up on it, right? Then on this side, pry up on it. You want to sort of distribute that weight further across because if you just aim in one point, it's going to cause the mirror to crack. So now I'm going to wrap this mirror up. Again, to protect the paint, so just like that. Now inside of here, there's a couple screws. One here, one here, one here, one there, and one there. I'm going to take those screws out. Awesome. Now if you guys see this little tool here, This is actually a gift from my kids on my birthday. I always like to use the tools they get me. I know they love it because they watch my videos as well every once in a while. So yeah, let's go ahead and loosen this up. I ended up having to grab a beefier tool because some of these guys are in there real tight. All right, so with all 5 of those screws out now, what I'm actually gonna do is take this cap off. Now to take this cap off, inside of here, there's a couple clips. There's a spring mounted here. Just sort of take it and push it a little bit. There's one here in the middle, and then one over here. You can see this one probably the best. So what I'll do is just take them, push them together, and push it out. Perfect. I've pushed that one sort of free. Let's do the next one now. It also doesn't help that it's super cold out here right now. If you can do this on a warmer day, the better. That way everything's not super brittle. Perfect, and it just pops right off. You can see all my clips are saved here. There's one here, one here, one here. I ended up having to take the pry tool, as you guys probably saw, and go around this edge a little bit after prying those a little bit. But slid right out. Now, on this side of the turn signal, we actually have to take out, got to sort of pry this piece back a little bit. And now after I pop that off a little bit, we got to take this guy out of here. So all I did was pop it back like this, slide it out this way, and slowly pry this guy up out of here. Let's take our time. Boom. Now we're on the back side, and there's one little clip here. Push that in and take it off. My hands are freezing, bro. Freezing. Finally got that out of there. Man, that was in there super tough. I'm sure not a lot of people have to deal with that, but yeah, we got that off. This piece, let's go grab our new piece. Now with the new piece, just gonna work in reverse. We're gonna plug it in first. Plug it all the way in. Boom, heard it click. And then it sort of slides down into this groove here. Boom, slide it down into that spot. Just showing you guys from this angle. So once it slid down into that groove up there, back here, on this side, there's like a little prong down there. You gotta get this guy up and over. Awesome, so now once that's sitting in place, we're gonna take it down here, slide everything back in to where it's supposed to be at. Awesome, once that's done, let's go ahead and put the hazards on real quick, make sure operation works before I tighten everything else up. Bro, that looks so good. Bro, that looks so good. Bro, that looks so good. All right, let's go ahead and finish this up. All right, gang, so once that's in there, we need to go ahead and put our mirror back on. So I'm gonna take this microfiber cloth off. Boom. Now when you put the mirror back on, we sort of like to work in reverse. And remember that it's up at an angle, right? So you get like that top on there, and you just sort of push around the outside to get the rest of your ring on. And I believe it's on there good now. Give it a little wiggle. Seems to be good. You just work like a circle, right? Because you're trying to make sure all those clips are pushed in around that ring. Perfect. I think we're good. Then we'll grab our mirror cap and throw that back on. Put that guy down on there, sit it in place. Make sure your clips are sort of lined up where you need them to go. Then it should just slide back into place. There we go. All snap back in. Bro, that looks so much better. I don't know if that's coming through on video that clean. Let's turn the hazards on just so you guys can see. This is what this side looks like. Oh, that's clean. Versus this side. You can barely even see this one. Bang, bro, that's mint. This side was much easier, much easier. Alrighty, gang, and now it's time for the final reveal. We wrapped up the passenger side. The driver's side was done first. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I hope you guys are super excited to see this. Let's turn the hazards on and let's take a look. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at how clean that looks. Bro, stop playing with them. Bro, this looks so good. I hope you guys are super excited to see that, man. This install, you know, it was nerve-wracking in the beginning, but once you get one side done, the other side is just so much easier. Bro, this thing looks so good. If you haven't done this mod, I definitely recommend it. Super easy. Your boy ordered it off of Amazon. Get it, bro. I think it was like 30, 40 bucks to throw them on the whip. You know what I'm saying? You got to take advantage of those good deals. So anyways, it's your boy. We signing out with another video. Make sure to hit that like button. Check out my next video. I'm going to put it up there. I know you're going to love to see it. And then also make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget that little bell, because you already know you hit that little bell. It's going to let you know when I drop a new video. You're going to want to see the mods that are coming soon, because your boy got a couple stacked up immediately. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can check those videos out, because they're going to be coming fast, hot, and they're going to be coming real quick. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button down below. And I got a performance mod coming, so you're going to want to see that. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace. Yo, and I almost forgot. This has been like a tradition right now. I got to get Shawty's like opinion on this and see what she thinks of the new mod. So let's go get her real quick and let's see what she thinks. Raw reactions. My daughter check it out too. She likes the stuff too. So let's see what she thinks. So, what do you think of the side mirrors?
I like them.
You like them? Before they used to just like flash, and it was like it was hard to see it honestly in the daytime, but now they're sequential, so they run like this. They look pretty good. Like them?
Yeah, they're really
Awesome.
bright.
They're really bright? Yeah, they look good. These things look really good. Whole house up now, you know what I'm saying? So everybody gonna check them out now. What you think, babe? So now they do the pulsing. They look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. But before they used to just like flash, and now they do a sequential and they tinted, they smoked out.
Yeah, it looks good.
Like our son. What do you think, Matt? So before they used to flash, and now they do the sequential look.
Yeah, it looks better.
Looks better? Yeah, I think it does too, and they're smoked out, so they look super good. So you heard, just from the family's point of view, bro, these things look so much better. The whole fam likes them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well, man. It was a blast to make it. Honestly, I was a little nervous about the mirror. Don't be so nervous. Just do those tips that I was telling you guys about. Apply some pressure to the front of it as you pry on the back. Work around that circle, and then pull it off with your fingers at the end. Just don't rush, and don't put all the pressure in one single spot, and you should be good. Worked out for me. We got those on there, and I think we got to get another mod on this thing, because I got a couple things on the way. You guys are going to want to see that. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Yo, I got a performance mod that's coming. Yeah, it's going to be a lot faster. It's going to be a lot faster. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Make sure to hit the like button so we can see. I can get as many people watching this video as possible. I know you guys enjoy that. Make sure to use those links. It helps the channel out. It helps me create more videos, more content for you guys. I know you guys are going to want to see it. You know what I'm saying? It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. The build is going to be going up. If you guys saw the GTI build that I did before this build, you already know we got a lot in store. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. Make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button down below. I'll catch you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, and for my real OGs, if you watched all the way to the end, put something crazy down in the comment section like gumball, and let's see if you're a real one and you watched all the way to the end. Then I know. You know what I'm saying? Then I know. Maybe you get a shout out in the future video. Anyways, we signing out with another one. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.